Alright, so we got our high side hose hooked up to our discharge line, and we're reading pressure here. We're going to take our processing tube. Alright, you got to make sure your needle's flush here so you're reading pressure. Take our processing tube here. We got about a little over 100 psig. Take our processing tube and go to our N on our recovery machine. Do I need to turn this now? Okay, and then we'll take, going from our out, we'll go to the vapor side of our bottle. Okay. And then opening our out. And then open the in. And then I'm going to purge my line here. Looks good.